Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 75,175, loss of 207 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 22,829, loss of 76 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 51,002, loss of 500 points. Market breadth was negative. BSE 500 closed at 32,666 with loss of 74 points. Nifty 500 closed at 20,753, loss of 52 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Consumer Index, which closed at 36,085 with gain of 3.77%. Top loser was Nifty Realty Index, which closed at 790 points with loss of 4%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. On April 11, the Nifty surged nearly 2% after a holiday, starting the day with a strong gap up. The market mood improved due to 90-day pause in tariff on most countries except China. However, with the India weeks remain high and global uncertainty, especially concern about global growth in the US-China tariff war, the index may trade within a range in the near term. Friday rally brought the Nifty close to key resistance level at 22,900, which would close the bearish gap from the April 7 and 23,000, where the 50-day explanation moving average set if the index breaks above this level, it could climb towards 23,400. From now, 22,700 is expected to serve as a crucial support. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 0.01% and price decreased to 0.33%, which suggested short buildup. Nifty 17 April 2025 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 24,500 strike with the open interest of 1,33,116 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 22,000 strike with the open interest of 66,181 lots. The max open interest change happened on CE side at 24,500 strike with the addition of 59,722 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 22,800 strike with the addition of 30,316 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross above 22,900 levels, then it can move towards 23,500 to 23,800 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 22,700 levels, then index can go down towards 22,500 to 22,300 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty had a strong week, rising by 0.97% and forming a solid bullish candle on a weekly chart. It's opened up with a gap up on a Friday, jumping 762 points, close at 51,002. On the daily chart, it showed a bullish candlestick pattern with a small upper shadow resembling a bullish kicker pattern, which signaling a strong upward momentum. On Friday, the index climbed above all the major moving averages, that is 10, 20, 50 and 100 and 200 EMS, positive sign for further gains. The 51,000 level is a physiological barrier, but with the current strength, it may not hold for a long. If the index stay above this mark, it could target 51,440 next. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 3.31% and price decreased to 0.97%, which suggested short buildup. Bank Nifty 24th April 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 53,000 strike with the open interest of 47,543 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 50,000 strike with the open interest of 37,851 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 52,000 strike with a subtraction of 12,127 lot. And max open interest change happened on PE side at 51,000 strike with the addition of 7,093 lots. The option latent chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 51,500 levels, then index can move towards 52,000 to 200 levels to 52,800 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 50,600 levels, then index can go down towards 50,000 to 49,500 levels.